Welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed already, please click on the link below. In this short vlog, we depart Jersey in the Channel Islands and head back to Denham Airfield in North London. My friend Nick Snaith is flying this leg back, and I pick up the radio once we depart. It's a gorgeous evening for a flight. I hope you enjoy this short departure video. Now sit back and enjoy the flight.
This is Jersey Airport Information Hotel 1620. Expect vectoring ILS runway 26 in use. Transition level 60. Bravo taxiway closed east of Delta. Significant bird activity has been observed on airfield. Wind 280 degrees, 9 knots, varying between 250 and 310 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, view at 2,000 feet. Temperature 21. Dew point 15. QNH 1018. Acknowledge Information Hotel on first contact.
Jersey Tower Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha with Information Hotel 1018. Request taxi instructions for flight to Denham. Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, Jersey Tower, good afternoon. QNH correct, you're cleared to leave the control zone on track Cap de la Hague, VFR, not above altitude 1,000 feet, squawk 3614.
Cleared to leave the zone via Cap de la Hague, not above 1,000 feet, and squawk 3614, Golf Papa Alpha.
Golf Papa Alpha correct. Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, are you ready for taxi?
Affirm, Golf Papa Alpha.
Golf Papa Alpha, taxi holding point Alpha 1, runway 26, QNH 1018.
Alpha 1 for runway 26, 1018, Golf Papa Alpha.
Golf X-ray Alpha, hold at Alpha 1, traffic information, a Cherokee VFR, not above altitude 1,000 feet. He's south of Sark and will be joining right base for Jersey.
Golf Papa Alpha holding Alpha 1, ready for departure.
Golf Papa Alpha, via Alpha 1, line up and wait, runway 26.
Line up and wait, runway 26, Golf Papa Alpha. I haven't put a flight plan in there, but how much juice have you got on your iPad? Enough?
Yeah, I've got enough. Golf Bravo Papa Delta Tango is on
50% right, yeah.
Just over 6 miles to run.
Golf Bravo Papa Delta Tango, Jersey Tower, join left base, runway 26, the wind's 280 degrees, 10 knots.
Turn left base 26, Golf Delta Tango.
X-ray Alpha, if you just fly slightly further left, the Cherokee now in your left, 11 o'clock, range of 6 miles, altitude 1,000 feet, and he's routing towards the northwest corner, then eastbound along the north coast.
Copy that, Golf X Alpha. Would you like me to head up to 2,000 feet, Golf X Alpha?
Golf X Alpha, negative. If you continue your present track, that'll take you behind the traffic nicely.
Roger, Golf X Alpha. Jersey Tower, Golf Alpha Tango, Oscar Tango at the northwest corner, Golf Tango.
Golf Alpha Tango, Oscar Tango, Jersey Tower, route towards the TV mast, and there's VFR traffic just south of the northwest corner, which will be routing to Alderney, currently tracking behind you to your west.
Roger, to the TV mast, looking for traffic, Golf Oscar Tango.
Golf Papa Alpha, routing via the northwest corner of Jersey, runway 26, cleared for takeoff, wind 280 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear takeoff, Golf Papa Alpha. Northwest of the thing, that'll be...
Golf X-ray Alpha, the Cherokee's now in your right, 1 o'clock, range of 3 miles, same level.
Report visual of the traffic, Golf X Alpha.
Okay, T's and P's good, airspeed rising.
Tower, November 257, Sierra Alpha, PA 32 at the light aircraft parking, information India 1018, request.
60 knots.
November 257, Sierra Alpha, Jersey Tower, starts approved, and I'll call you back shortly with your clearance.
Start approved, November 7, Sierra Alpha.
Golf Delta Tango, runway 26, cleared to land, wind 280 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear land 26, Golf Delta Tango.
Golf Alpha, the traffic now in your right, 2 o'clock, range 2 miles, same level.
Still looking, Golf X Alpha.
very smooth, look. Beautiful.
I know, it's amazing.
Europe 598, holding point runway 26, ready. Europa 598, roger, I'll line you up after one landing aircraft. Copy, sir. Golf X-ray Alpha, contact Guernsey approach 128.650.
Contact Guernsey approach 128.650, Golf X-ray Alpha.
I'll leave the landing light. I'll leave the fuel pump on over the sea.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, just check your squawk 3614.
3614, we should be escorting now, Golf Papa Alpha. Wasn't on stuff, sorry.
Golf Oscar Tango, you're clear of traffic now. Route the long way around the TV mast to the east of it, and then route on to right base for 26.
Past the TV mast and right base for 26, Golf Oscar Tango.
Golf Papa Alpha, thank you. Contact Jersey approach 120.3.
120.3, Golf Papa Alpha, thank you. Get down to 1,000 feet, there's a bullet. Jersey approach, Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, squawking 3614.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, Jersey approach, thank you. What's your requested cruising altitude?
When able, would like to climb to flight level 35, Golf Papa Alpha.
Golf Papa Alpha, roger, fly initially, not above altitude 2,000 feet.
Not above 2,000, Golf Papa Alpha.
Jersey approach, hello, easy 67, Golf Foxtrot, descending altitude 3,000 feet, QNH 1018, inbound Juliet, Sierra Yankee, Airbus 319, information, India.
Easy 67 Golf Foxtrot, thank you, fly heading 165, access to Alice.
Fly heading 165 degrees, easy 67 Golf Foxtrot.
So calm this time of night, that's amazing.
Golf Alpha, flying not above altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1018.
Golf Papa Alpha, not above 4,000, 1018. How smooth it is at this time of night, it just flies itself. Crazy. I mean, this time of night, over the sea, it is just 500 feet beautiful.
Golf Papa Alpha, contact Jersey Control 125.2, goodbye.
125.2, thanks, Golf Papa Alpha. 1252. Jersey Control, Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, squawking 3614.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, Jersey, continue not above 4,000 feet VFR.
Not above 4,000 VFR, Golf Papa Alpha. That Mookie Mooks?
They're good. Falling asleep.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why not?
So relaxing.
You're not going to be scared of flying anymore.
Yeah, no, you converted me.
Perfect, 5 Whiskey, contact Guernsey 128.650, goodbye.
Guernsey 128.650, Specsavers 5 Whiskey, goodbye.
Specsavers.
Is that what they said?
Yeah. We took off.
Alpha, you've left the zone, it's a flight information service, reporting you changing en route.
Flight information service, Golf Papa Alpha. I think we can stay with them until we get to the border, then we get a London information.
Yeah, I think so.
Bye, France.
Jersey Control, Golf Papa Alpha, I'd like to recall London 124.750.
Golf Papa Alpha, roger, squawk 7,000, recall London info 124750, have a good day.
7,000, 124740, thank you for service. London information, Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, London information, stand by please, just handing over, be back to you shortly. November 505 Whiskey Charlie, what's your intended routing?
Whiskey Charlie, Garmy, Cafe, Goodwood, Woodley, White Wolf.
November 5 Whiskey Charlie, roger. And what's your ETA for Cathy?
Cathy 39 Whiskey Charlie.
What's our ETA?
Golf Whiskey Charlie, roger.
46 is ahead of us. For roughly St Catherine's Port, isn't it? So it'll be 46.
Kathy.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, thanks for standing by. Pass your message.
Yeah, PA28 from Jersey back to Denham, currently flight level 35, request basic service.
Golf Bravo Oscar Papa Alpha, squawk 1177 mode Charlie, basic service, and what's your present position?
1177 and just to the west of Garmy.
Golf Papa Alpha, roger, and what position will you be coasting in?
St Catherine's Port,
yeah. Via St Catherine's Port, so Golf Papa Alpha.
Golf Papa Alpha, roger, can you just say again what's your ETA for St Catherine's Point?
46, yeah.
It's 46 Golf Papa Alpha.
Roger.
That's good, yeah.
And Golf Papa Alpha, is the danger area 036 active?
Golf Papa Alpha, negative, danger area 036, not active.
Not active, Golf Papa Alpha.
So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video if you've got this far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button. And there'll be another private pilot vlog coming very soon.